Hi guys, it's Candy again here today with the Crazyeightslife, and I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you today. I actually will have two videos coming because I've been sick and I've had things just kind of piling up here. It is time to get them done. I am not 100%, but good enough. So here we go. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this box open. I did have to get an extension on the time frame. I think you're supposed to have 7 days from when you receive the box to try on everything and decide what you want to keep. But if you get online and go to checkout, you can extend your return date, which I did do because I have been sick and just not at all in the mood to even try anything on or get out of my sweatpants. So I did get an extension, and I'm going to show you the items real quick from the box, and then I'll do a try on for you. So in every box, you will get a note from your stylist. You'll get a return addressed envelope to put in any items that you don't want. And then you'll just stick that, any items that you don't want, and this envelope into your mailbox, and your mailman will take it back. Here's my price sheet and the items that I will receive, which I will go over with you when I'm trying them on. And then I should have a stylist note here. There it is. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and read the stylist note for you, and it says, "Hi Candace, happy fix day. I'm super excited to be styling your 70th fix, which is amazing. I wanted to focus this fix on some awesome versatile items for your fall wardrobe. The cut from the cloth Kate boyfriend jeans have your preferred mid-rise and soft relaxed fit that will look great with booties or flats. I also wanted to mix it up a little for you and include the Black Democracy straight leg jeans that will look amazing dressed up or down. Pair them with the Vince Camuto pullover and booties for a super stylish outfit. Lastly, I included the white Danielle rayon knit top as I spotted a couple of similar tops on your Pinterest board. It will look great paired with the blue Love Ellie duster, cardigan, and jeans. I hope you enjoy the items I've chosen for you and look forward to your feedback. Best, Darlene." I haven't had Darlene as a stylist before. I do want to pay attention more to who's styling me and kind of request who gets what I'm looking for and who doesn't. I haven't really paid attention to that in the past. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm back. My dogs are going crazy right now and there's nothing going on. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try these outfits on for you, and I think I'm just going to kind of put the prices and the outfits next to the clothing pieces when I'm trying them on. But in case you don't know, you do get a 25% discount if you order the entire box. Okay, so in this Stitch Fix box, the very first thing we have is the Love Ellie duster cardigan, which I like the see-through. It's very lightweight. It's a nice cardigan. And then we have, well, I'm going to go in order on this. So the duster cardigan is $46. The cut from the cloth Kate boyfriend jeans are $88. The Vince Camuto, I'm not sure if that's how you say that, Bally crewneck pullover is $78, which I would not spend on a sweater. And honestly, this we'll have to see. It's not necessarily my style. The Democracy Natalie straight leg jeans, which Democracy, if you haven't had, is an amazing brand. They are some of the best fitting, most comfortable jeans. And the waistband, I think, is why I like them so much. It has this thick elastic around the waist. You can't tell it's elastic from the outside, but it stretches. Oh my goodness, they're just comfortable. My go-to jeans right now that I have are Democracy jeans. And then the $78 on those, I don't know if I said, And then the Daniel Rayan Selenka Crochet Detail Cotton White Top, $58. And I think this is a super cute top. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it on me, but it's cute. And all of it is very good quality. Real quick, for all 5 items, the subtotal would be $348, which is usually higher than what I like to go. The buy all discount is $87. That's a 25% discount. And then the order subtotal would be $261. And then I have a $25 credit plus a $20 styling fee, which would bring the order total to $216. Of course, typically you wouldn't have the $25 credit, so let's say it'd be $236 for the entire box. If I were liking the jeans, I wouldn't say that's a bad price for a box. But I'm not sure that I'm going to be keeping anything from this box, but let's try it on and see what we think. All right, guys, let's go ahead and try these on, and let's see what they look like. First thing I have for you is this Vince Camuto Ballet Crew Neck Pullover and the Cut from the Cloth Kate Boyfriend Jeans, which I'm gonna tell you, I mean, compared to most boyfriend jeans, I actually don't mind these. I would love to know what you guys think. And I'm sorry my setup isn't that great here. I had to move because my house is just too busy today. So hopefully you can see it okay. But I would love to know your thoughts on these jeans and honestly the sweater. So I'm not a big stripe person. And honestly, when I pulled this out, I thought, that is ugly. I don't like that. It's not me at all. But honestly, I'm not sure. Like, I think that it's not too bad. It's comfortable. The quality is awesome, as Stitch Fix usually is for the most part. So I would love to know what your thoughts are on this. If you could just leave in the comments and let me know what you think. Okay, next we have this Daniel Rayan Selenka Crochet Detail Cotton Top in white, obviously. And I honestly thought that I would like this. I'm not 100% sure that I do. And I don't know if it is, I mean, it's very pretty. It's beautiful. And I think it would look really good on somebody. I am not sure what it is. So if you guys could please let me know what you think about this on me, that would be awesome. The detailing is beautiful, and the material is very soft and comfortable. I feel like maybe it doesn't fit me quite right around the arms or something, so I'm not 100% sold on it. So if you guys could just let me know. And again, I have the same Kate Cut from the Cloth Kate Boyfriend jeans on with this top. And I am going to throw over the cardigan along with this. So here's the cardigan along with this Daniel Rayan top. Upper arms are tight. I mean, so I probably wouldn't wear anything other than a tank top underneath of this, because I feel like it would be tight up in my arms. So I'm not sure about this. I do not think that I'll be keeping it just because the fit is not real great on me. But I like the length, and the quality is very nice. I do actually like the lightweightness, and I like the detail, the kind of see-through detail. But it's just not fitting me quite right up in the shoulder and upper arm area. All right guys, so I have the Democracy Natalie straight leg jeans on, and I'm not sure if this is going to be very good showing on the video, but I feel like they're very comfortable. They're very good quality. They're, I like them. The length on me, and I'm short, maybe if I got it in a petite, is a little long. I feel like it makes it all kind of bunch up. And to me, they look like they should be kind of a nicer, dressy jean, and with all the kind of wrinkling going on, because I'm short, I'm not sure I love it. But other than that, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like bunching up all the way up. And it just keeps it from looking like a very clean look to, I don't know, a mess. So that's all for this unboxing. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know what you think I should keep or what I should send back. I hope to see you next time. This has been another unboxing by Crazyeightslife.